fly babies. Hello, my lions living in our new strength. Hello, my patrons. Today is Tuesday. It's a wonderful day. Yesterday was a harder day because we had to do our weekly home blessing hour. Not hard, just harder than today. Today, we only have a 2-layer cake, and that is routines and basic weekly plan. No zone today because our basic weekly plan is free day. So really all we have is routines. So today we're going to get up and do our morning routines. Our children are going to do their routines. After that, if there's any little chores that need to be done, that's going to happen. After that, if you're going to work, go to work happily. And know that you don't have to do anything but delegate one thing. Then that's a weekly home blessing hour. Number 2, so we dusted yesterday. Today they're going to wipe the mirrors. Okay? So that's what's going to happen while you're not at home. When you get home, you're going to call before you get home. I'm on my way home. Did you get the mirrors wiped? Because I'm going to be checking. I'm going to be, to yourself, I'm going to be inspecting what I expect, right? You don't want to tell them those words too much because then they'll start to resent it. You just know you're going to inspect what you're going to expect, what you expect. All right, so delegate that or do it yourself on your free day, sorry. And then that's it. You're going to make dinner, after dinner routine, before bed routine. That's a simple day for you. For the at-home fly babies, for my at-home lions, my at-home patrons, you're going to get up, do your morning routines, the kids their routines, their chores. That's quick and easy. All this stuff is quick, quick, quick. This isn't a big hard thing in the morning. The next thing is basic weekly plan. It is your free day. So you're going to do something to pamper yourself today. All of us are. Something that you don't normally do. Is it a day to give yourself a manicure, a pedicure? Can you do that at home? Maybe you're going to read a special book that you've been waiting to read or listen to one on tape. Anything. Something that you can do when the children are taking a nap or whatever that takes care of you. All right. Then we're going to do our laundry. We are going to do our laundry and we are going to go through our paper. That happens to all of us every day during the week. Payroll line's the same. When you come home, you start your laundry. You still do that just like you make dinner. Certain things we just have to do every day, even if it is our free day. All right, then after that, we're going to do our after dinner routine. After our after dinner routine, we're going to do our before bed routine. Let's review the before bed routine. The before bed routine starts with you if you're tired. It starts with your children if you're not tired. So if you're tired, you're going to, sorry about that, you're going to go in there and get yourself ready for bed. Let the kids play. Tell them in 30 minutes when you're done, it's going to be their turn. But you go in there and take your bath, relax if that's what you love to do, or take a shower. Take your makeup off, of course. Moisturize your skin. Put on your sweet, clean PJs. Put your dirty clothes in the dirty clothes. Or if they're still clean, hang them up. Let them air out a little bit. You're going to look at your planner, see what's up for tomorrow. See that you've got everything laid out, great for tomorrow, whatever you need for the kids, for yourself. You're going to really take some time to rejuvenate yourself for the evening. It's not that you're waking yourself up. You're calming yourself down from that day, and you do get a little more energy just by doing that. You've got clean teeth, clean face. You're ready. Now you can say to your children, time for your before bed routine. First thing you're going to do is clutter check. Clutter check yourself and the family. Go do that. Second thing you're going to do is make sure that dishwasher is running before you go to bed, by the way. The second thing you're going to do for the children is you're going to say, okay, time for your bath. You're going to wash your hair if you need to, brush your teeth, wash your face, put on your PJs, put your dirty clothes in the dirty clothes. Most kids' clothes are dirty at the end of the day. You're going to pick out a book, and we're going to go I'm going to read you a story. And that's what you're going to do. So it's a real easy before bed routine for the children. Do make sure that they have any projects they need to have by the front door if they're going to take them out to school tomorrow. Make sure that they know what they're going to wear in the morning. I prefer that, for me, to lay the clothes out for them or have them lay them out and me approve them. But it's up to you how you handle that. You just want to have the least arguments in the morning as possible, and maybe their shoes by the front door. That's always a good idea because they never can find their shoes. What is it about shoes? Anyway, So that's a simple before bed routine, and you can do it too. Say their prayers, whatever, and then good night. Don't forget before they go to bed and during the day to inspect what you expect, like I talked to the payroll lions about. Inspect what you expect. So if you expect them to, well, clutter check is picking up mindless clutter. Inspecting what you're expecting is part of their before bed routine is to pick up their toys and books and games. So that would be something you expect them to do because you've taught them to do that every day. That's a mindful activity. All right, so that's it. I hope that was helpful. I want you to have a wonderful day, a great evening, and a great day tomorrow. Don't forget that you are beautiful. Bye.